Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean and simple Excel budget template from scratch in 2026. So if you want an easy way to track your income and expenses, this step-by-step guide will help you set it up in just a few minutes. First, open Microsoft Excel and create a blank workbook. Yeah, starting from scratch keeps everything organized and fully customizable. Next, in the first row, type your main headers. For example, date, description, category, income, expense, and balance. I mean, these columns will structure your entire budget sheet. Now, select the header row and make it bold. You can also add a background color and adjust column widths so everything looks clean and easy to read. All right, this is the important part. In the balance column, enter a formula that subtracts expenses from income. So, in the first balance cell, type equals income minus expense. Then press enter. To create a running total, update the next balance cell to add the previous balance. This way, Excel automatically tracks how your money changes over time. Now, to keep things organized, create a drop-down for the category column. Go to Data, then Data Validation, and add your categories like food, rent, transport, and so on. Finally, select your data range and format it as a table. Yeah, this makes sorting, filtering, and updating your budget much easier. And that's it. You now have a fully working Excel budget template ready to track your finances. I mean, once you start using it daily, it really becomes powerful. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple Excel tutorials. Hey everyone!